Hi guys, this is Miss Bastillos. I just want to go over how we use our percent bar models again. I have my three colors here. The blue represents the part, the yellow is the percent, and the pink is the whole. So we talked about this today. So looking at our first bar model, we have 0% is 0. So this top bar model represents percent, and the bottom represents the part. So these are going to be the numbers. So percent and numbers. On the far right side, this is going to be our 100% or our whole amount. So that is represented by the pink. So our first problem is, what is 30% of 50? What is 30% of 50? So we have to figure out what we're trying to find. It says what is, that's the part, and I know that because we have 30% identified here. So there's our percent, and our of number is 50. So when we have of a number, that means the whole amount. So when I look at this, my 100% amount is 50, and I'm trying to find 30% of it. So like I told you before, we use our benchmark number of 10% to figure this out. So to find 10%, I can cut the bar into 10 pieces. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each of these is worth 10%. And if I have 10 times 10%, that equals 100%. Make sure you listen to that again. If I have 10 groups of 10%, then altogether it equals 100%. So if I just start with the first one, this is 10%, and 10% plus 10% is 20%. 20% plus 10% is 30%. That's our target number and what we're trying to find. We're trying to find 30% of 50. So to figure out what should be in each of these boxes, I'm going to take 50 and put it equally into all 10 of the boxes. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. So if I start with what 10% equals, 10% equals 5. So 5 plus 5, so 10% plus 10% is 20%. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So now we have our target number. What is 30% of 15? Therefore, 15 is 30% of 50. Sorry. So I just wanted to give you one really good example of how to use 10%, show you a video on it. The nice thing about this is because each of these 10% put together equals 100%, you could also now find 50%. You could find 60. You could find 70. By using each of the 10%, knowing that it's 5, you can find groups to figure out different percents for the total. All right, thank you.